Good afternoon, sir. My name is Nirmal from Sham Metallics. I take care of flat steel division, which Bhushan sir mentioned. First of all, sir, the speed at which we got land allocation and the incentives which have been passed now, it is unbelievable. I mean, 45 days it took us to get everything through. This is my second experience with Andhra government. In my earlier company, in 2016, when your party was in government, we could start from groundbreaking to production in 8 months. And this time it looks like the speed at which things are moving, and that's still a record. None of the companies have managed to do it in 8 months' time. And this time, the speed at which we are moving, I'm sure we are going to break that record. Sir, one problem I would like to highlight, though Andhra is doing much better now, and hopefully in future, this would be even bigger than Telangana, but still, the air connectivity to most of the cities in Andhra is still through Telangana. So if something can be done about this, it would be a great help.
So I will ask my PR team to definitely cut this bite, give it to me so I can share it with Mocha, Minister of Civil Aviation, who happens to be from my party.
He's from TDP, so that's why this request, sir.
So Ram Mohan Naidu, I don't know whether majority of the members might not knowing, Ram Mohan Naidu is the Minister of Civil Aviation, is from Telugu Desam party. He is the youngest cabinet minister ever in Indian history. We have the youngest parliamentary party. I think he just got younger with a Rajya Sabha member also. We have a very young 41-year-old who's now become a Rajya Sabha MP, Vijay. Saying that, yes, we're working on connectivity. We are building Bogapura Airport, your colleagues here just shared. July we're going to launch, so that's going to connect a lot of Visakhapatnam much better. Visakhapatnam, Vijayawada Kabi terminal we are expanding. We had an issue with the erstwhile contractor, so that's an airport authority of India airport, so they had to terminate and they got a new one. We're working on connectivity, both domestic and international. Ram is very passionate about it and very serious about it. So we will connect. And I know, because I had to fly direct. I had to come from Vijayawada to here. So I had to get a plane and come here. It was not easy. I totally get it. We will fix that. Just bear with us. I think it was just about 6 months away. The problem is also that the airlines are ready, but the planes are not there. The planes are there, the engines are a problem. We've seen the challenges at various, so we are trying to request, beg, borrow, steal connectivity.
Thank you,
sir. So that's a serious problem and we'll work on it. Yeah.
Good morning, sir. I'm Balaji Pentala, Balaji Seeds Crop Sciences Private Limited, Hyderabad. Based on your hometown, sir, Amravati के पास हमारा चिरकुलूरपेटा है. We started business in 2017 in seed sector. In 2019 YSRCP government के हिसाब से हम वहाँ पे निकल के हैदराबाद चले गए. Right now we are very trustable. We build in Andhra Pradesh very trustable government, and we are very happy to come back with you. There we have to work in Andhra Pradesh. एंड आपको इंस्पिरेशन पे हमारा यूथ आंध्र प्रदेश का यूथ बहुत आज तेजी चलने की बहुत कोशिश कर रहे हैं. ईज ऑफ बिजनेस इसका साथ में ट्रस्ट ऑफ बिजनेस आंध्र प्रदेश. ईज ऑफ बिजनेस, स्पीड ऑफ बिजनेस विद के साथ ट्रस्ट ऑफ बिजनेस इन आंध्र प्रदेश राइट नाउ इट गोइंग. एंड वी वुड लाइक टू आस्क यू, जो पूरा सीड जो है आंध्र प्रदेश में ही प्रोड्यूस हो रही, like maize, world-wise maize is producing from Andhra Pradesh, and jute seed also from here, and in West Bengal is the most world biggest industries in jute seed. Yarn भी यहाँ पे तैयार होता है. Right now 88 mills here, but right now almost 20 mills are closed in West Bengal. We would like to basically Guntur people. 100% production is from Guntur. Jute seed is producing there and selling in West Bengal and Bangladesh. We are exporting. We are exporting a major exporter of Bangladesh, sir. And 3 countries we are exporting from Hyderabad and Guntur. So, आप जूट का यहाँ के गवर्नमेंट के साथ में और ICC के भी हम रिक्वेस्ट कर रहे हैं. जूट सीड में जो एक्सपोर्ट हो रही है या लोकल में सेल हो रही है उसका सर्टिफिकेशन जो होता है, एपीएसएससी है हमारा सर्टिफिकेशन एजेंसी होता है गुंटूर में, वहां पे जो ओरिजिनल कार्ड जो आता है वो यहाँ पे डुप्लीकेट ज्यादा बन रहे सर, बेसिकली on borders like Bongaon, Hilly and other things. I would like to inform you sir, please कंसर्न ऑफिसर को बोल के वो कम करने के लिए देखिए, क्योंकि हम आंध्र प्रदेश गवर्नमेंट को भी बहुत लॉस भी हो रहे हैं और यहाँ पे फार्मर को भी बहुत लॉस हो रहे हैं उसके बारे में.
No,
Thank you, sir.
absolutely. Just on a side note, between 19 to 24, though there was a different government and there were challenges, whatever policies that we've done between 14 and 19 and the companies that actually ended up getting grounded between 14 and 19, while they didn't have tailwind, the government couldn't do anything to them because we followed due process. So even our capital city, when they tried to, change the capital city, they couldn't do it because the agreements were clear, was legally binding. So whatever we do will stand the test of time and politics. And on the agriculture bit, one thing that we're really passionate about, and we're working with a very large company, it will be unfair to name before we actually make the official announcement. But like the Indian School of Business you have seen in Hyderabad, we're going to build Indian School of Agriculture, where end-to-end research is going to happen, and we're going to create world-class agriculture commodities research happening from the great state of Andhra Pradesh. So I think that's a great opportunity. In terms of the certificates and all, please share a note. We'll definitely work with the government. Now we have a very proactive government here, so it'll become a lot easier to talk to the Honorable CM and get the ball rolling. Thank you.
I know the discussions can go on, but